What is input element? Well, input element is HTML element that we use to create various type of elements. For example, text field, password, radio buttons, checkboxes, or various buttons. How basic structure of input element looks like? Well, input element usually contains type HTML attribute, which represents type of input element, the name HTML attribute, which represents unique name for our input element. Name HTML attribute is important when we are working with HTML forms, because when we submit our form, all values from form will be sent to the server on server-side data processing, like key value pairs, where key is actually name that we set for our input element, and value represents value that we have entered in our input field. And value HTML attribute, which represents initial value for our input element. What are input element types? They are text, password, reset, submit, radio, checkbox, button, file, and image input type. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.